My intention for the series mostly is to do dollar store items. But right now, most items in the dollar store cannot be bought because of the lockdown. So I'm starting off with stuff that I've already got around. And one of the things I got is this Jigsaw puzzle. Now, I bought it a while back, but I've never opened it. So I'll open it up now. It's a little good tape here. Break it through. Oh. Okay, so now in order for me to put this together in the right orientation because we've got the camera going, I'm gonna have to do this upside down and flip the video. That's not a problem. Okay, now this is a compact puzzle. And as you can see, the pieces are really tiny inside. The image is this is the front. The image is of Panmure Island in PEI. It's just, some stock photograph. They also talk about, or they also mention here that they have a portable sorting system for the compact puzzler. Now the advantage of these compact puzzlers is that you can put them together in a smaller space. This is indicating it requires a 10.5 inch by 8.125 inch or 26.67 centimeter by 20.63 centimeter space. As you can see, the big problem with this is that the pieces are so tiny. Cut them open. By the way, I'm using a dollar store pocket knife. I'll cover on another video later. And dump them out. Here. Okay. Now you get this sometimes happening with jigsaw puzzles. Is that some pieces will automatically be stuck together. I like to just leave them together. Save the work later on. Now it comes down to the sorting. The first thing I like to do is to take the edge pieces because those are the ones that are easier to work with. Pick out all the edge pieces. Actually, I want to turn them right side up. Yeah, putting together jigsaw puzzles is fairly meditative process. I do like using the online, or not permanent. I do like using computerized jigsaw puzzle programs. I think the best ones I came across were the Puzzle Master series. Now here's an odd one here. This might be an edge piece, it might not be. It might be just dang okay, so I'm going to put that aside there. I'm also taking the time to flip all the pieces forwards so I can see what pieces are what. I would say these pieces are about a quarter the size of a standard jigsaw puzzle. Sometimes you get this situation too, where you have two pieces. I may not see it too well. You have two pieces sort of reverse and try and get them out there without doing too much damage. It's always terrible when you get a jigsaw puzzle together. It's not nice and flat because there's a part of a piece sticking up. I haven't really done proper jigsaw puzzles for some time. Biggest hindrance is having the space for it, which makes this compact one actually more convenient because I only need about the size of a placemat. Although I'm not sure exactly how big it'll be until I get it together, but I think I have enough space. So right now, I'm just trying to pick out the edge pieces of things over. Next step will be inserting the color. Not worrying so much about that right now. quite clear that there's some sky in here. And some ground. Which is typical. Anytime you have a scenic picture, you're almost always going to get sky. You usually get pieces stuck together like this, but you're not sure whether they belong together or not. This one looks like it does. I'll move it aside. Now with the standard Jigsaw puzzle, you can often use the box to keep pieces in. This one, however, as you can see the box here, doesn't have that lid that puts down top. You open it through the cabinet, so you're not going to really use this for pieces. Unless you want to resort all those pieces. One of the nice things about the Puzzle Master games, particularly Puzzle Master 2 on phone, it seemed to be a slight improvement, but Puzzle Master games allow you to make your own trays of things, so you can put all the pieces together in one tray, one type, and all the pieces together in another type, and then you just pull the trays as you need it. And the same with colors. Well, pieces of one color and another color.